Hello and welcome muli sa aking kusina. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng mocha chiffon cake. And here are the following ingredients. Cake flour or self-raising flour. Oil. Coffee. Bali 3/4 cup of hot water plus 2 tablespoons of coffee granules. Baking powder. Salt. Eggs. 2 3/4 cups of sugar. Cream of tartar. So, ang ating first step, i-prepare na natin yung baking pan natin. Lagyan lang natin ng parchment paper. Hindi natin to i-grease dahil chiffon cake ang ginagawa natin. And also, mag-preheat na tayo ng oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So, ang first step, isi-sift lang natin yung ating flour. Lahat ng dry ingredients. Yung isang portion ng sugar, baking powder, and salt. Yung cream of tartar sa egg white natin ilalagay yon. Then mix lang natin itong maigi. So once mixed, we will set this aside for later. So separate lang natin yung egg yolks. So ilagay natin dito sa isang bowl yung egg yolk. And then, lagay na natin yung oil. Yung coffee. And yung ating flour. Ito yung date. So, then, we will mix this hanggang ma-fully incorporated na lahat ng ating ingredients. So, once our butter is smooth and lump-free, so pwede na natin itong i-set aside. So, ito namang ating egg yolks, ibibit natin to on high speed. Bubbly, ilagay na natin yung cream of tartar. And then yung sugar, same portion, dahan-dahan lang. So make sure yung egg whites nyo hindi ma-overmix. We're just aiming for soft stage. So, how do we know if we hit the soft peak stage? So, angatin nyo lang. And then, kung makikita nyo yung dulo, naka-bend siya. Ito, bend. Kung peak stage kasi, tayang-tayo yan. So, pwede na ito. And then, i-combine na natin yung ating egg, yung butter at saka yung egg, yung meringue. So, isama lang natin yung ating butter. And then, we will do folding. Fold natin. So, in 3 parts natin gagawin to. The last part. Then, cut and fold. Cut and fold. So, make sure na hindi nyo ma-overmix din ito. Otherwise, babaksak yung cake nyo pag na-overmix. At pag na-undermix naman, of course, yung butter maiiwan sa ilalim. Titigas din yung inyong cake. So, actually, ang baking talagang needs a lot of practice. Yan. So, this one is ready. Ta-transfer na natin dun sa ating baking tray. Yung ating prepared baking tray. So, transfer lang natin. So, ganyan-ganyanin lang. So, ayan. I-remove lang natin yung air pocket bago tataktakin nyo. So, this one is ready. We will bake this on 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. So, this been baking for 45 minutes. Check na natin. So, kuha lang tayo ng bamboo screwer. Tusukin lang natin sa gitna. So, if it comes out clean, pwede na ito. So, switch off na natin. And remove it from the heat. So, ito. Transfer ko lang sa wire rack. And then, remove natin yung ating parchment paper. So, yan. So, we will cool this down completely bago tayo mag-frosting. So, our cake is completely cooled down. So, niremove ko lang yung sides. So, ayan. Tignan nyo. Para yung medyo matigas lang, natanggalin natin. And then on top, tanggalin din natin. Slice lang natin. So, ayan. Ready na yung ating cake. Pwede na tayong mag-frosting. So, ito na yung frosting na ginawa natin. So, ilagay lang natin on top. So, spread lang natin. So, spread it evenly. Hanggang dun sa sides. So, continue lang natin to hanggang ma-cover natin lahat ng cake. So, ayan. Well covered na yung ating cake. So, it's ready for, kung gusto nyo pang lagyan ng design, yung cake. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng small spatula. So, i-swirl lang natin. Ikot lang natin. Or kung gusto nyo, smooth lang. So, it's entirely up to you kung anong design ang gusto nyo gawin. So, continue lang natin to hanggang sa matapos natin lahat, pati yun sa sides. So, ganun lang. Ikot lang natin in any direction. So, I've done this before in my other cakes. So, ganun lang. So, here it is, our mocha chiffon cake. So, sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Hanggang sa susunod kong video, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Salamat! Bye!